Hi, this is Kenji Kumara, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today, we're going to share with you a simple protocol to do to create a sense of safety, a sense of strong boundaries, a sense of protection. And this is especially relevant for today, since the world is going through much turmoil. So here's what you can do. So when you go into meditation, using the power of the breath to focus and then relax from head to toe, you're going to invite a certain angelic presence to stand or be to the right of you. So take a deep breath. And from the angelic realms, you can call forth one of your guardians to the right of you. And actually feel that presence, feel that energy. You can ask, who are you? And now invite another angelic presence to the left of you. And again, feel the vibrations, and you can ask, who are you? And you're going to call forth the third angelic presence to stand in front of you. Again, asking, who are you? And the fourth angelic presence to stand or be behind you, and feeling its presence and asking, who are you? And we're going to ask a fifth angelic presence to be underneath you. And again, feeling its presence and asking, who are you? And finally, invoking the presence of Prime Creator to be above you. And notice now how you feel, how your body is responding to this, how psychologically you are feeling very safe and protected, secure, energetically secure and balanced and harmonized. So you can do this whenever you go out into the world, whenever you give or receive a healing or coaching session, whenever you're going to be with a loved one, or your walks in nature. Practice and experiment. And over time, this will become very natural for you. And you will be carrying basically then angelic presences, angelic vibrations, and people will begin to be attracted to you. So we hope this has been helpful. Practice this a lot. Until next time, have a very blessed week. Have a very blessed life.